Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto E7 Power and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on Save Settings category. At the second place we can see GPS location info here, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that as we need, and this option allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. Here also important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, the location and the internet, to make it work. And now let me keep turn it on all of these settings. Let's move back to the camera and take a picture. To see it, let's move to the right to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how it looks like. To check its location we have to just simply slide down a little bit, and as you can see here we get access to more details and the location with the map and the full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.